Israeli chicken with Ptitim. And Ptitim is pear couscous or Israeli couscous. This is a very simple recipe. And what I'm going to do, get a pan, you want a little bit deep, and I'm going to put about, I don't know, 2 or 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Yeah. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a yellow chopped onion, okay? And I'm going to saute this baby. I'm going to saute this baby. And that's about maybe 4 minutes, okay? Let it saute for about 3 to 4 minutes. I have about 5 teeth of garlic chopped. Going to add it now. If you don't want the garlic to burn, remember this is medium heat. And I'm going to let this cook for about a minute, okay? Just a minute. I'm going to add chicken legs. No salt or nothing. I pinch them because I want to eventually the flavors to go inside. To a medium heat. I move the onion and the garlic to the side. So I pinch them with this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this for about maybe 10 minutes, okay? Flip it. Oh, look at the beauty. And then you're going to cover again and let it go for about 2 or 3 minutes, okay? I got 1 1/4 cup of Israeli couscous, pear couscous. This one is toasted. I'm going to add it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the spices. So I have a teaspoon of ginger, teaspoon of turmeric. This is optional, this one. This one is a teaspoon of chili peppers. If you don't want it hot, don't add that. Couple teaspoons of ground smoked turmeric. About 3 or 4 teaspoons of coriander. You can add some pepper, black pepper. And you're going to mix everything up, okay? Look at this beauty. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of water. Look at that. And then I'm going to add some salt. To taste. Mix things up. I'm going to cover it. And I'm going to let this baby cook, okay? About 15 minutes later, look at this beauty. 15, 1-5, look at this beauty. Here we have it. Israeli chicken with Ptitim, which is pear couscous. Oh, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty.